So another piece of code is here for you. In the first line I have written print, and within the parenthesis I have written 30. So what it will do, it will just print a number, and that number will be 30 itself on the screen. Here I have written the comment printing a number 30. In the second line I have written print, but here 30 is written within the double quotes. That means now this 30 is no more a number. It is actually a number also, but here the Python will understand it as string. Why? Because I just told you that when we have to write a string, we put sequence of characters within the double quotes. Now here 3 and 0 are two characters that are written in double quotes. So here 30 will be represented as a string in Python. So here also 30 will be printed on the screen, but it will be treated internally as a string. In the next statement, I have written print within the parenthesis 30 plus 20. Let's see what it will do when we will run the program. And in this statement, I have written print within the double quotes 30 plus 20. And in this statement, I have written print within the double quotes 30 plus is without the double quotes, and then 20 is with the double quotes. So just see what will happen when we run this program. So here we click the run. So in the first output we get 30. Why? Because we have written print 30. 30 is directly printed as a number on the console screen. Then we have written print in the double quotes 30. So 30 is printed, but here it is regarded as a string internally. So though the output is same, but 30 is regarded as a string here, and previously it is regarded as a number. Then in this third statement I have written print 30 plus 20. See, beautiful. It has written 50. How? That means Python is having some internal calculator with it. So if we want to print sum of two numbers, we can just write like this, print 30 plus 20, and wow, the sum will be printed as 50. Very nice. Then in the next statement I have written print within the double quotes 30 plus 20. Now what is this? It is just a string. Just I told you, when we have to write a string, we have to put it in double quotes. So 3 0 plus 2 0, they all are characters just written one after the another, and see 30 plus 20 is printed as it is. Then I have written print 30 in the double quotes plus without the double quotes, and 20 with the double quotes. So what will happen? 30 will be printed as it is because it is a string, 20 will be printed as it is because it is a string, and plus will do some nice work. What that work is? It will simply join. It will join 20 after 30. So they have written 30 20. It is just a way to concatenate one string after another string. Let us try one more thing. Print in the double quotes I will write my name, I will put a plus symbol, and in the double quotes I will write my surname and double quotes close. Now let's see the output. See, Salil Abrol. Abrol is concatenated after Salil by this plus symbol. So within the double quotes Salil is printed as it is, within the double quotes Abrol is printed as it is, and plus has simply joined. So I hope the difference between a number and a string is now clear to you, and you are familiar with this plus symbol also, what it is doing here and what it is doing here. When we are writing without the double quotes, it is a simple calculator, and with the double quotes it will just concatenate two strings after the another. So this was a very simple program to discuss the fundamental concepts of Python programming. I hope you are clear with it.